Hello, my name is MichaelAkushner. I'm a lecturer of World War II signals intelligence. That's anything to do with code breaking, special operation and spies. I'm a volunteer guide at Bletchley Park, and I also work for the Imperial War Museum in London and the Churchill War Rooms. I'm an author of several books on the subject, and I've put together a small presentation which I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. And as you can see, Cambridge is up there on the right-hand side, and to the left we've got Oxford. And there was a railway line joining the two university towns with a station at Bletchley, ideal location. So some senior executives came from London to have a look at Bletchley Park, and there's an actual photograph. They couldn't say they were from a secret government code-breaking establishment, so they told that property developer who purchased the site that they were from Captain Ridley's shooting party. Working for London Air Defence. A long way from London, nothing to do with air defence, but that was the only story they were allowed to tell. No one lived on site, everyone was billeted out, and it was just a small group that would work initially in the mansion house itself. Part of the MI6 section that came along was the communication section, which was loosely called the Diplomatic Wireless Service. Their job was to send messages to and from embassies, British embassies across Europe. Now, it's interesting, we say that we send messages to our agents. We call our agents agents, and foreign agents we call spies. But we would send messages across to them. Now, there were several of these MI6 radio stations around the country. This Bletchley Park had station number 10, quoted in Roman numerals, so it became known as Station X. And that's where the term Station X came from. Thank you very much. What a lovely audience. Thank you very much. Today we're going to talk about spies, lies and double-cross agents that made D-Day work. Very, very important, as you'll see as we go. But first of all, I need you to disengage your disbelief, because today the stories I'm going to tell you may not believe, but they are true. But what does a spy actually look like? But does a spy look something like this? Yes, James, the most famous spy in the world, James. Now, spies supposed to be invisible. You're not supposed to know where they are or who they are. James Bond can walk into any bar anywhere in the world. They'll say, we've been expecting you, Mr. Bond. And they'll pour out his favourite cocktail, shaken but not stirred. It involved these guys here. Tommy Brown was a 17-year-old NAFI assistant who lied about his age to get into the Navy. Kenneth Lecrae, he was a ASDIC operator. Colin Grazier and Anthony Fasson, First Lieutenant Anthony Fasson. What happened? Fasson, Grazier and Tommy Brown dived into the sea and swam over to that U-boat. They swam over to it in total darkness. There's an actual picture lit up.